We are frying latkes. Cheddar cheese, potato latkes.
Proper grown-up applesauce. This is not baby food. Try it. It can't hurt, right? I'm starting with 5 apples. Chop up the apples.
Into the pot we go. Some lemon.
Cut it in half. A whole lemon. I really like a kick of lemon. 2-3 tablespoons of soft brown sugar. We're gonna add some apple cider.
And this is what converts it from baby food to slightly more adult. A couple of glugs. Another one for good luck.
Oh my God, it smells incredible.
I'm gonna go in there with a potato masher. I really love a chunky sauce. Potato latkes do need onion. It brightens up the potato flavor. Potatoes are peeled and ready to be put in the food processor. Onion going in there. 200 grams of cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of flour, flaked sea salt, and a load of black pepper, because black pepper and cheddar cheese are very good friends. What's gonna give us a really crispy potato on the outside and hopefully creamy in the middle. We're getting there, we're hot. A bit of oil, small mounds of the mix. I like these little scraggly bits that kind of come off. You're not here with me, so you won't know this, but the smell is insane. Winning me over. Whoa, that is so good. Okay, sorry. Lovely latke. And these are ready to be flipped over. Ooh, that one's looking really good.